product line has emerged substantially since 1983. And as more emerging countries have offered us different kinds of technology, different specializations, and different lead times, we've pivoted to open the door, if you will, to a lot of different marketplaces. But that's taken us on a journey to everywhere from Taiwan and China to India and Vietnam. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Where we find manufacturing expertise, we want to be there to provide our customers the best that the international manufacturing market has to offer.
Great. So we know that, there's a lot of countries that you work with which are leaders in manufacturing. Tell me about what types of materials and industrial